In this video, we'll be talking about understanding consumer complaints. In particular, we'll be focusing on complaints about financial services like loans and credit cards. We're going to have special focus on finding reports of unfair, deceptive, or abusive acts and practices. That's UDAAP for short, and it's a major concern of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. UDAAP complaints to the CFPB resulted in $2.5 billion worth of fines and customer redress in 2014 and $6 billion in 2015. A lot gets covered by UDAAP. There are 2,319 pages in the Dodd-Frank Act of 2010. The next closest piece of financial legislation is only 6% of that size, a mere 145 pages. Violations of UDAAP are expensive from a regulation and compliance standpoint, but often they point to discriminatory practices. Here are some examples. Both of these point to problems, but how can we automatically identify that these items are important and that one is about unfair practices while the other is about abusive practices? How do we find them out of all of the millions of communications that banks have? Language is crucial here. When consumers complain, they may do it in a variety of places, but they do it using words. There are a variety of ways to talk about bad experiences, but what you want to detect are the words and phrases that actually matter. That's what our system does. We use machine learning and natural language processing to find the patterns that matter. The language of customer agents is also important. In many of the major fines, the problem is that agents go off script and hide fees or promise too much. Comparing what should be said to what is said can also be automated. Our system is fast enough to work in real time. Find out more about how you can use machine learning to ensure compliance, regulation, and the highest ethical standards. Contact Idibon.